What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For get started, click the likes and give us a big thumbs up and the bell down below. Today we'll be doing some slime. So first, I got some slime, I'm going to take it out. I don't think you can see wetness. I made some more in here. It's hard to get out. I love slime. So comment down below. I will be giving some slime out. Right, if you like slime, what you need to do is comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll have your shout out there. Alright, this is so hard. We can just leave that much of slime. Bucket. Right, now what we need to do is add all these up. So I'm going to put it, what colour do you think it is? Okay, yes. It is turquoisey with red sparkles. I don't think you can see it. I think you can, I don't know. And we might add some permanent dark blue in. I can want a little bit more darker. I don't want it on my hands. If you're watching this video, I really want you to subscribe. So what we're going to do is get a fake knife, cut it down the middle. And if you wanted to give some big friends, it's split in half. Oh, yeah. So on this colouring, blue colour, what we're going to do is, it might go on your hands a little bit. You want it dark, turquoise-ish, don't we? I'll show you at the end of the video what it actually looks like. Don't matter, does it? So that's how it's turning out. I want it to look really nice. As we put some dark blue in, now what we're going to do, mix it. Can't see it though, that much. If you can see it, subscribe. So hard. Why can't there be like in life, like slime, like slime pens? There's nothing will make slime turn into slime. Activate them. Right. Just pens into different slimes. I can't see. I want to colour the whole thing in. I really want to show you the guys' slime, but I have to wait until the end of the video. Even though I showed you a little bit. I think I'm nearly finished the colour. Oh, I added some red into the slime to make it like glowy a little bit. Some red in the slime. Don't know where the lid is. Oh, it's there. So I really can't wait to show you guys the ending of the slime. I added some blue glitter in now. Oops, I just told you. I'm just going to show you what it looks like so far. guys, it's the ending of the video. Look. If you're wondering who that is, it's my cousin. Oh, put you back. Oh my god, this slime. It's gonna break. Ah! No! No! Quick, I'm grabbing! Okay, I'm gonna grab it. Right, put it all together. Oh, look at it. So, guys, first I want to show you my cat. Hi, Pix. Pixie's here, look. I love you all. And hope you like some slime. Yeah. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.